I was playing Arena for a little bit. It's one of the first games that I loaded up on Linux after building my new computer. But I decided to boycott based off of what I perceive to be a very bad user interface decision. Because while Magic the Gathering is great and Arena's in general great, the deck editor sucks. Huge, floppy, fucking donkey dick. The deck editor in Magic the Gathering Arena is absolute dog shit trash. I got really mad about it when I realized like just how bad it is. Yeah, the deck editor sucks. Like I would so love to play that game all the time if the deck editor didn't suck fucking dick. Just straight up. Like one of the biggest immediate criticisms I can say about a specific part of the user experience and edit, like just about the deck editor in general, is the fact that you cannot use your arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate through pages or even individual cards. No, like I want to be able to fucking look at shit and manage my shit with my keyboard exclusively without having to use the mouse or anything like that. And you know that they didn't put any thought into this shit when they were making it because they were really trying to spec it out more for mobile devices. Like what we have on the computer was not a made for the computer experience. It's a port of a meta design that was attempting to target as many devices as possible. And I hate that shit. I hate that shit so much. I can't even begin to contain my rage thinking about this topic. It's fueling me up. This is good. You know, like I figured Arena would actually be like so much better on a nice tablet, right? Like I tried it on the phone. The phone is just too small, and if you had like a good enough tablet with enough horsepower, like it could probably be a good experience. Like just being able to let just one hand fucking play the whole thing. I enjoyed Hearthstone on that level. But even then, yeah, like phone Hearthstone was like really fucking tiny, and back then I had a Nexus 6P, which was a huge phone. Like I've got a Pixel 6 right now, and it's like barely like I would probably want it to be just slightly smaller. It's usable, but it's kind of big for my hands. Um, but even then, the 6P was like way bigger than this phone, and even that was too small, right? Like, but you get yourself like an iPad or some shit, and then you're kind of cooking. The Kindle too. I have a Kindle 10 with a broken screen, and that could also possibly that would be a better option if it actually had some horsepower to it. But a lot of the graphics and stuff, a lot of the graphic requirements for a game like Magic the Gathering Arena are artificial. The same thing with Hearthstone. A lot of the graphics details goes into like aesthetics and nothing to do with actual gameplay. And that's kind of like one of the angles that I approached like the software and the game developer space with, is the premise that it's 2025 and we have all of this power and we're using most of this power on visuals. But what happens if we attempt to really, you got auto-modded? I'm looking at the restream chat, so I don't know what you said. I could take a look on the Twitch dashboard. I forgot what I was saying. I don't know what you said to get auto-modded. Well, like I said, so I've got both the restream chat up as well as the Twitch chat up now. So like, normally it would show the windows for moving cards around are icky. Once I learned where the invisible was. Oh yeah. No, like a lot of what I've noticed to be glitchy user interface issues oftentimes are CPU lockups that occur. The letter AF, what weird. I wouldn't want like, you should be able to say AF in my chat. I say AF all the fucking time.